Hello, Fab Family. Hello. It's so good to see you. And I just want to say, hey, I have some of the best family members in the Fab Family. And today we are going to shout out one member in particular. Hey, Cris. Hey, girl. She has been one of my loyalist, longest members on my channel, and she is always so sweet and kind to not only me and Masita, but to all of you guys. She's so nice in the comments and just such a nice, sweet person and a big breath of fresh air. And I am just so grateful to have met her and have her a part of the Fab family. So with that being said, as fabulous as she is, she was so sweet and sent me the nicest box worth of thoughtful goodies that I could not get away with not sharing them with you guys. Now, this is not to encourage anyone else to do the same. This is just to show my appreciation for her and her thoughtfulness, because honestly, I don't get a lot of gifts. I don't get like anything from anyone. If I don't buy it, I don't get it. It's just how my life is set up, and it is what it is. So when I do actually like receive things from people, it hits a certain kind of way, and I'm so grateful. And not only was it nice to receive things, but they are just the most thoughtful things, y'all. She really put some effort into this, and she deserves a huge shout out. So thank you so much, Cris, for my package. I love everything. And I want to share everything that she got me with you guys. So today is definitely completely different from any other video that I've ever done. And I'm going to show you guys something that was sent to me from a very dear and special person. So I'm just going to pull out of the box. It was a big box too, full of stuff. She's the best. And I'm just going to quickly show you guys everything that's in there. And just to give her a quick shout out. Thank you, Cris. I love you, girl. So without further ado, let me show you guys what she got. Now, I did get approval before I even filmed this. I wanted to make sure that it was okay with her. So as I was saying, I did get approval from Cris before I even started filming. So she knows that I'm showing you all of these goodies. And I was kind of going back and forth about like doing this because I'm just not this kind of person. I do not usually kind of like show my shit. I know I show hauls and stuff, but that's just a little bit different because you guys are here for Dollar Tree. But I just really am proud of this. So I'm gonna show y'all today. So I'm just gonna pull out of the box. Y'all, this was the sweetest gift. So one thing about me is I love random stuff. I just love random things, but that are thoughtful. So it was just like she read my mind. First thing she put in here were these really cool, and then she like wrapped them all like really well. Like, girl, I want to be like you when I grow up. This is awesome. She put these two huge shower gels in here. Now, the note that she gave me said that she got these from Croatia when she went on vacation, and I just feel so special. I can't believe you gave me these. I'm absolutely going to use these up. These are huge. These are both body washes. One is, it says Silky Effect. And then this one says, oh, it says Silky Effect too. Oh, this one says Latte and Macadamia. And then this one says some words I can't pronounce. Either way, I'm so excited to try these. I love to try new stuff, especially stuff from out of the country that I've never tried before. And I just feel so special that you were willing to give these up for me. So thank you, girls, so much. Do not worry. I'm going to use every drop of these. The next thing I pulled out, y'all, look at this. Oh my gosh. She put a freaking nail drill in here. This is nicer than the one I have, y'all. I'm not kidding you. I'm so excited. You know the nails I'm gonna make with this. This is nicer than the drill I already have. So thank you so much. If you guys didn't know, I make press-on nails and I love nails. So this is gonna be perfect. I use a nail drill often. And mine is not even this nice. So this is the Savvyland Excelsior Nail Art Drill. Can we get it open? I feel like we should open this. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. So you open it here. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled. It's like Christmas. Oh, she's beautiful. I love her. Y'all, it's sparkly. I kind of love this. Thank you so much. This was so sweet. Okay, let's keep going. It only gets better from there. Y'all, look at this. Do you guys know how I have had this in my Amazon cart since Christmas? Literally, since Christmas. How did she know? How did she know? I love this kind of stuff. You mean I get to open this and there's like a whole bunch of stuff in here too? I can't get in here fast enough. I love this. I love it. That's why I love Dollar Tree so much, because I just love like little stuff. Like, I don't know. Yeah, there's no words for me right now. Let's see if I can open it up. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, let's pick a number. I'm gonna pick my favorite number. That's gonna be 5. We're gonna pick the number 5. How do you open it? How do you open it? Oh. Oh, it's a box. It comes out. So here it is, number 5. Now, I've heard so much about this Imco Beauty line. I know that they make a lot of dupes for a lot of people, and I have been wanting to try this line, but I'm so cheap, y'all. I'm so excited. What is this? This is a cheek and lip tint in the shade Dusk. Look at that. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's deep. Oh, I already love it. Ooh, it feels really nice too. Look at the shade. Oh, I'm so excited. What I do notice about the liquid like tints like this, they go on way better with the brush. So I'm gonna wait to try this out with a brush. Let's open at least one more, y'all. One more. I don't know, number 9. Let's go with number 9. I feel like I want to open them all, but I just don't want this video to be super long. So number 9. Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Is there a wrong way? Okay, that's it. It's another tubey thing. Ooh, it's a peptide lip treatment. Heck yeah. Oh, I'm so excited. I love how small this is. Look at the way that it's shaped. It's like perfectly shaped for your lips. No scent. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open all of these up. The packaging is pretty, everything. Thank you so much, Cris. This is like, oh my gosh, girl, how did you know? How did you know? I'm gonna open up the rest in peace, y'all, in privacy and peace. We're gonna have a ball. So this is the 12 Mini Icons Collectible Beauty Surprises, and I love it. Oh, it does tell you everything on the back. But I'm the type of person, I am not reading the back. I wanna see each one like it's a surprise. So the next thing in the bag, y'all, I couldn't keep Nasita out this box, y'all. She smelt these rats. My girl, like, are you serious, girl? You're the absolute freaking best. These are 3 catnip-filled rats, and when I tell you, I had this box in my room, and I was wondering why Nasita would not leave the box alone, and I know why. I can't wait to give these to her. And best part about all of this is I have 3 cats, y'all. I know you only see Masita because she's the only superstar, but I have 3 cats. I have a boy and 2 girls, and this is gonna be perfect because y'all know cats can't share nothing. So as soon as if I give one a rat, they're all gonna want it. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Cris. They're gonna love these. They will love these. They love some catnip. It's like some crack, girl. And then in the last thing was this cute bag full of just random goodies, and that is my jam. I saw the bag and I didn't even open it, so I knew I was gonna show you guys. So I'm super excited to, ooh. Do y'all see this? The cocoa oil formula, cocoa cream, whipped bum, bust, and body cream. Yes, girl. And look how big it is. And she got it taped down like Fort Knox. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Has a stopper. Dang, it's chock full. It's giving Palmer's cocoa butter for show, for show. Let's put some on our hands. Yep, I needed it too. My hands were so dry. Girl, how did you know? Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to say something? Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is one of my favorite scents too, you guys, for summer. I love this cocoa butter scent. It's just like so good. It just reminds me of summer. This is the ultimate summer scent for me because this is the like 90s type summer scent before everything was like, you know, viral and before we cared, and we would just slather on, you know, some cocoa butter and just hit the door. And yeah, this smells so good. Next is, ooh, another lotion. This is an EOS lotion. Fancy, girl. You hooked me up. I appreciate you. And then some makeup, y'all. The Super Peptide Glossy Lip Treatment. This looks nice. I like Essence brand too, y'all. I think she got me too. You are awesome. I'm putting one of these in my gym bag for show, for show. This is like the perfect thing for my gym bag because it's a good size. And it says with caring shea butter. I like these. I like the tube. We got, ooh. Oh, a no makeup mascara? Girl, you pay attention. That is so cool. I'm not used to that. I'm not used to people paying attention to me. Soft black. Y'all know I love mascara. Dang, this is so pretty. It's kind of heavy too. It's kind of fancy. Oh, I hope that you didn't do too much for me. I really, really don't, but I appreciate it so much. This is like Christmas. There's still stuff in here, y'all. They are, I think there's 3 of these. L'Oreal Le Shadow Sticks? What? I can't open it now because my hands are greasy. All right, I really want to open these, but I can't because my hands are like really slick from the lotion. So I've got 3 shadow sticks, y'all. I cannot wait to wear these. This is Brown Abyss. I'm going to wear these in my next video. Oh, look at this, the silver one. This is Ice Sparkle. Okay. And then the last one is Brown Lies. I love a good brown. Cris, thank you so much, girl. I'm still pulling out of this damn bag too. You just really outdid yourself. She put some Ulta Beauty lip glosses and they're pink, y'all. They're pink. These are my jam. Look at this one. This one's so pretty. It's got like sparkles. This is called, what shade is this? Shiny Sheer Lip Gloss. Well, we established that. My 40-year-old eyes cannot read the shade. It doesn't matter. It's pretty. The shade is pretty. And then this one is a little bit more nudie, but I'm definitely going to get wear out of this. Absolutely. And then the very last thing in the bag is a souvenir. Oh, it's from Mexico. Ooh, these are the, what are they called? Not the pyramids, but the temples. I'm not quite sure, y'all, but very cool. I love it. I wish I was in Mexico right now. This is also, looks like it's a bottle opener and a freaking nail clipper. You did everything, girl. I love this. I love it. Thank you so much, Cris. I really do appreciate you. I am so grateful for you and all of your thoughtfulness and everything. And thank you so much for spending your time and to just think of me. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed just seeing my little stash. I don't do this often. I am not a person to whoop whoop myself, but I had to whoop whoop my girl because she hooked a sister up and I am so grateful for you, girl. Like, you just don't know. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope that you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are. My name is Jamie, but you can call me Fabs, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to do something that makes you smile today. I'll see you guys later. See you. Love you. Bye. Thank you, Cris. I appreciate and love you.